Hi friends, today I am going to make a ear cuff with this 18 gauge silver coated copper wire. At first make a loop with the help of round nose plier. I am making the base of the ear cuff. I am making it 3-dimensional. You can see here I am going to make the back portion of the ear, then again bend it and make a design for the front portion of the ear. Here is the base. It's just like this. Here is the both ear cuffs, and now you have to hammer it for form the ear cuff. I am hammering the front portion of the ear cuff, both sides. Now I am going to make some designs on my ear cuff. So I chose some seed beads and some crystal beads. For this I chose 26 gauge wire for wrapping my ear cuff, the base wire, and then I am going to make some flowers with my crystal beads and seed beads. This is 2.5 mm crystal bead. I am adding this for the middle of my flower. Add this firmly in the middle of the wire and wrap it tightly. Just wrap once and then I am going to add the seed beads around this crystal bead. Wrap the wire around these crystal beads properly and then wrap the base wire. And I am wrapping 4 to 5 times here and then again adding a new flower here. In this way, I am making 3 flowers here. You should secure the both sides of the wrapping wire tightly and very firmly. Now I am going to make some designs here with the crystal beads. These are 4 mm crystal beads, and I am going to insert each bead and then twist the wire like a aerial, just like this, and then wrap the base wire 2 times and then again add a crystal and then twist it. You should make a space here and then you can twist, and again wrap the wire 2 times and then again insert a crystal here. In this way, cover the whole circle. Now I am going to insert a 6 mm pearl bead here in the center of the circle. And here is my finished ear cuff. You can see. If you like my design, please like and subscribe my channel. Bye for now. Have a nice day.